everyone, Super Global Host. Today we show how can we configure cash and bank journal to bypass outstanding payment and receipt. So by default, you see if we have any payment in bank or cash, then it come as a outstanding uh, payment. For example, I make one customer invoice. Now you see if there have no outstanding payment. I select on customer, invoice date, I select one product, and here I select the amount 10. I confirm this one. I select one batch, confirm. Register payment. So in this case, you can register bank or cash anywhere. For example, I select cash, create payment. So it is paid. Now if we check the dashboard, you see there have one outstanding receipt because this is a customer invoice, so receipt with 10. Why it is happened? If we check the configuration of cash journal or bank journal, I open cash journal. See, here have some account. For example, in by default this cash, if we have any statement, bank statement or cash statement, then this is coming as bank suspense account. And here you see one configuration. This is outstanding payment account method. That means if any payment come, then it at first come in this account, outstanding receipt. And if any outgoing payment, for example vendor bill or expense, then where it come at first, it come its outstanding payment. And when we reconcile this one, then it go to the corresponding account. For in general ledger, for example, now see in general ledger there are 70.1 outstanding payment or receipt, it is 10, and latest statement is 6. If we from here, if we reconcile this one from with the bank, then what happened? We just create one new statement, or we can make one new transaction. In this case, we just want to reconcile this amount with bank. See, cash receipt, make the label here, amount is 10. This is now the ending balance. We just post this one. We can also set the customer, maybe this customer, I think it is ABC. Post this one, reconcile. If we click this reconcile, so it automatically get this one, because we have some reconciliation model. By this model it automatically get this one. If you want to know about reconciliation model, then we have part 1. Please check this one in this playlist. So we can, from here we can validate this one. So this amount now this amount is exchanged. Now in dashboard this 10 is coming as outstanding receipt. So we just validate this one, and it is validated. So what happened when we now you see there have no outstanding payment, and it go where? It go in bank general ledger. There it go to there. So what happened here, when we make any invoice in this journal, that is cash journal, then it create one corresponding outstanding receipt. This is $10. And when we create one bank statement against this cash receipt, then they create one bank suspense account. So when we reconcile, then what happened, this suspense account is replaced by this cash account. If we check the journal, we check the general ledger, reporting general ledger. This is to the date. Okay, we keep all the journal, no problem. You see, now this amount is this 10, it is now in outstanding receipt. Outstanding receipt, this is what happened, it come in bank. So you see in bank there have 10. This 10 is posted, and this outstanding receipt is posted in this bank account. So there in journal there we said there have three type of account. Now what we want to skip this posting, that is we directly want to post in a general ledger. We do not want to post it in outstanding receipt or outstanding payment. So how can we do this one? We need to change the configuration of journal. Just click this cash, and we need to change this outstanding payment account and outstanding receipt account. So I go to journal, cash journal, and payment configuration. From here I just select cash account, and for outgoing, here also I select cash account. In both case I select cash account, and I save. So now what happened, it not when we have any payment, then it not posting in outstanding payment, or if we give any vendor bill, then it not posting in outstanding payment, it directly post in cash account. So I just check this one how it work. Just make another invoice. This time also I select customer ABC, one invoice date, and from here I select one product. This time I select the price is 15, confirm. If we check the journal item, this is the journal item, click on register payment. We select journal cash 15 real, and we create payment. So before it posting in, before we make one example for 10 real, it post outstanding payment, outstanding receipt, because we select this in our cash journal. After that we just change it in cash. Now if we check the dashboard, you see the balance is coming directly in general ledger. Before general ledger their amount is 70.91, sorry, yes, 70.91, and after this 15 it plus 15 it come 85.91. This 50 customer invoice, 15 customer invoice, it total amount 85.91. And there also you show that it not post in outstanding receipt. So in this way we can bypass to post outstanding uh, payment, but it's not in general case. If there have some amount, for example employee salary or any expense, maybe this time we need this outstanding payment, because this time we also need to validate many things. So we can make another cash journal. This is separate. So where we can set this set this we can bypass this outstanding receipt and outstanding payment, and one normal that we set by default that have there. So again I go to configuration, journal, cache, edit, configuration. From here I select outstanding receipt, and from here outstanding payment, and I save. So this thing also you can make for bank also. From bank you see same, it is come outstanding receipt and outstanding payment. So in this case we can also change it as bank, directly bank, and we can bypass this one. For example we can select bank. If we select here bank for incoming and outgoing, then it bypass this outstanding posting. So if you have more question, then please comment below, and also check the video before in this channel about a reconciliation model and reconciliation process. Then you get a overall very good idea how can you handle this reconciliation and payment uh, for invoice, bills and other expense. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah.